Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I am going to explain maximum sub array problem. Okay, so I have solved this problem in last video. Okay, so where I use a brute force approach and the time complexity was big of n square. Okay, so big of n square is worst, so that's why we need to find out another approach. So Kadane's algorithm is that kind of approach where we minimize the time complexity. Okay, so using this approach the time complexity will be big of n. Okay, so how does Kadane's algorithm work? Kadane's algorithm work by keeping track two things. One is current sum, another one is maximum sum. Okay, and loop through and keep checking. If the current sum is smaller than current item, then current sum will be updated by current item. Like this approach will be continue and keep tracking and checking. Okay, I think it sounds hard. Okay, so let's dive right into the code. So before coding, let's have a look the problem. Okay, so here you can see 53 number problem, maximum sub array problem. Okay, and problem difficulty is medium. Okay, given an integer array numbers and find sub array with the largest sum and return its sum. Okay, so example 1 is this input array will be given and the output will be 6, and you have to find out that sub array, like this is the suitable that sub array based on this input, and this sub array summation is 6. How? 4 minus 3, that means 4 minus 1, that means 3, plus 2 5, and plus 1, that means 6. Okay, so let's start coding. So I use here BS code editor, and another thing I have installed Python. Okay, so you have to install these two, I mean BS code and Python on your machine, so then you can write. Okay, so I paste this input here. Okay, and I have to define a function. I solve this problem using function. Okay, so function will be def to some array. Okay, and I have to call this function, and I stored the result this variable, and I send this input and receive it here. Okay, so Kadane's algorithm approach two things, one is current sum, another one is maximum sum. So I need to declare these two variable, and initial value will be first item. Okay, I mean this value. So initially, actually first we initialize this value, that means our sub array start from here. Okay, and here another variable will be maximum sum, and this also will be numbers of 0. Okay, definitely its value will be -2. Okay, so now rest of the array, I mean this array will be iterate. So that's why I use for loop. Okay, I in range, and I need dynamic length, and dynamic length will be like this, it will return dynamic length. Okay, so the array, actually this length, this start position will be from here. So here it's a index number 0 actually I assigned here. Okay, so now start index will be 1, value also 1, as you can see. So it's a index of this array, so index of 1, value also 1. Okay, so now keep checking this summation, I mean this current item. Okay, current item will be big of, sorry, number of I, it's a current item. If this current item is greater than this summation, I mean this plus current sum is -2, and current item, if these two summation is if current item is bigger than this two, I mean this current sum, then current sum will be updated by current number. Okay, and else, that means our sub array continue, here actually the condition is if these two summation is greater than, is less than current number, okay, current number, then our subarray will start from here. Otherwise our subarray start from here and it will be continue. So here the current sum will be current sum plus current number. Okay, so now I need to check maximum sum. So if maximum sum, current sum is greater than maximum sum, that means we need to update maximum sum. Maximum sum updated by current sum. Okay, and finally I have to return this maximum sum. So now if I print here, then I will get, maybe I will get the result. Okay, so pi, if I run it, nothing. Okay, I need to find out this array, I mean here. Okay, maximum sum will be updated here. It will be not actually plus, it will be this. So now if I run it, then I will get 6. Okay, so I have solved this problem. Okay, so it's time to explain. Okay, so for that's why I use print here and current sum, current item will be numbers of I copy this one. Okay, and current sum will be this. Okay, and here I need another print, so it will be before maximum sum, before maximum current sum, after current sum, and before maximum sum, that means it's a maximum sum. Okay, so I need to segregate all this iteration, so then it will be segregate every iteration. So now if I run it, so then I can see, okay, it's a first step. So you can see here, so current item is initial current item. Actually I just remove this array, it's a big array, so it will take time. So that's why I just declared another array and 3 and 6. Okay, so if I run it now, it will be easy to explain. Here current sum is what? Current sum is current item is 4. I mean actually Kadane's algorithm approach, what will be the approach? You have to understand this. Okay, actually here I assign this value, I mean current sum, assign initializing by first item of this array. Okay, actually from here our subarray start. Okay, so and then again here actually check if these two summation is greater than this one, I mean current one, current one here is start from 1. Okay, so if these two summation is bigger than current item, then our subarray will be continue, and then again check, and if this summation, I mean this 3 summation is bigger than that current sum one, so then it will be continue. Like this way it will be running. Okay, so here current item is now 4. So current sum is what? Current sum is here, it will be 1. Okay, this value. So 1, so current sum is 1, so 1 plus 4, that means 5. So here check, current item is 4 and current summation is 5, so it will return false. So then it will be execute and current sum will be 5. So here after this operation current sum is now 5. Okay, and before max operation maximum sum is still 1. Okay, so here check, current sum is now what? Current sum is now 5 and maximum sum is 1. So it will return 2 and again maximum sum will be updated by current sum. So current sum maximum sum is now 5. So if I show here maximum sum and current sum, then you can see here you will see same thing, I mean 5. Okay, so this iteration has been done. So now move to the next. So now current item is 7. Current item is what? 7. So 7, current item is 7 and current sum is this 5 minus plus 7, that equal minus 2. So here the condition will be checked. If current item is minus 7, so minus 7 is greater than minus 2, then yes, this will return false. So again this block of code will be executed and current sum is now what? Current sum is now minus 2. Okay, so current sum is what? Current sum is 5 and current item is 7. So that means current sum will be minus 2. So here after summation you can see minus 2 and before max value is 5 or previous one. Okay, so here again check, this block of code won't be executed. Actually current sum is what? Current sum is now minus 2, maximum sum is 5, so then it will return false. So now maximum sum is 5 and current sum is 2. So this block of code has been finished. Okay, so now move to the next. Here is 3. So now 3. So 3, here current item is 3 and our earlier current sum is minus 2. So current sum and current item after this operation it will be 1. So here again check, so 3 is greater than 1, yes, return 2. That means our new sub array start from here. So now current value updated by current sum updated by current value, that means this 3. So here you can see after this operation current sum will be 3. Here current sum will be 3 after iteration, after this operation, I mean this block after this, and then before maximum sum is still previous one, I mean 5. So now here check, current sum is what? Current sum is 3 and maximum sum is 5, then return false. So same thing, maximum sum is still 5 and current sum is now 3. Okay, so we have done this. So now move to the next. Here now the final one is 6. So now current item is what? Current item is 6 and after this operation 6 plus what? 6 plus 3, that means equal 9. So here current item is 6 and current summation is now 9. So it will return false, that's why else block will be execute. So now here 3 current sum is now 3 and current item is 6. So this two summation will be 9. So now current sum is after this operation current sum is now 9 here, as you can see, and maximum sum before 5. So now here current sum is now 9 and maximum sum previous one is 5. That means current sum is bigger than maximum sum, so that's why maximum sum will be updated by current sum. So now here you can see maximum sum is 9 and current sum is 9. So that's the thing. Okay, I hope you enjoy the explanation. Okay, I just check this code again. So I copy this one and I replace here. So now I just remove this code actually. Okay, again. Okay, so now if I run it, then you can see 23. So here you can see 23. Okay, so that's all. I hope you enjoy this video, and If you have any doubt, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, and we will see in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.